It's meal prep time, yeah! 7 days, chicken. And one thing that's very important for me in my life, and everybody who follows me knows that, is that I value my time. Therefore, we are cooking right now chicken for 7 days. One is for today, the other one for the following 6 days. But I want to be as efficient as possible. I don't want to lose time, and I want to do it as tasty as possible. So let's go. While we prepare the chicken, we let the rice cook as well, because like so, all the other things are happening already without us needing to do that. Alright? For the chicken, we do 2 types of sauces. I won't spoil, but for the chicken, for one sauce, we need Italian vegetables, and since they are shock frosted, we want passive work, we will put them in the microwave. Water near, as hot as possible. So this is getting ready, and now we'll put the vegetables into the microwave. I like to clean while I cook, so I don't have to do it later on. The moment you put this by side, into the microwave. We, as people who want a bit muscle, we eat a lot of meat from animals, and I will not stop, but I want to remind you to, at least in your mind, say a little thank you, because those are dead animals that died for us, alright? I don't want you to go vegan, I definitely want to go vegan, but we should appreciate that life is this way, and that this animal gave its life for us. What I like to do is to take those thingies, it's chicken broth cubes. It's basically salt. It gives the chicken a certain flavor. I'm a fan of it. Is it the best? Is it super healthy? Not really. But I like it. Just put the chicken in there. Not to put the temperature too high, so there are no big bubbles that we don't want that. You want to hear the sound of the water working, but no big bubbles. I hope that makes sense somehow. Stuff there that we clean first, because again, even in the kitchen I like to be as efficient as possible, and if I can clean everything before everything is done, that means for me, when the food is done, I can eat, and I don't have to clean first. This is my logic, this is my efficient logic, and I wouldn't accept anything else than that. I don't understand, honestly, I don't understand people who eat first and then they're super satiated and they just want to relax and then they have to think to themselves, oh fuck, the kitchen is still dirty. Now that I'm super full and satiated and feeling super relaxed, oh well, don't have to stand up and clean the kitchen. What? We cannot move forward right now because the vegetables aren't ready, chicken isn't ready, rice isn't ready. What are we going to do in order to use our time most efficiently? A proper kitchen rave. Told you it always works. In the microwave. Chicken, let's stir it. This is my favorite knife for cutting it later on. Nice, the vegetables should be ready by now. Let me see. Into the microwave. We will make a sauce for it. Yes, we use the vegetables to make a sauce. This is how it should look like. Not boiling too much, maybe a little less even, but just for you to understand how much it should be. And then just leave it like so. Those pieces that stand out, turn those pieces every once in a while, and then we cut it later. When there's something red inside or something pink inside, we don't want that. When it's pink inside, it's not done. We will cook it again, but usually 20 minutes in a bath like this, perfectly fine. Now we'll drop the info. What are we going to do? An Italian sauce! This just contains tomatoes, nothing else. Those is mixtures of Italian herbs. Without sugar, without salt. Just mixture of herbs. And add as much as you feel comfortable with. I think this looks good. And now we give it another ride. That's a so-called fuck yes. Absolute banger. Absolute banger. And so you can see here 1, 2, 3, 3.5. This is for later, as I told you. And what I'm going to do is I just put some sauce on top. I don't like to pre-cook my carbohydrates because it tastes way better when it's fresh. But like this, for example, the chicken in here, and that's the great thing about it. Now it can soak in the sauce, and even though the chicken is silent, just look at it, which soak in the sauce. And when I'm ready to eat it, I have my extra vegetables, I have my rice, I take half out of it, and then I just eat it. Quick, easy, efficient, tasty. Now we do some kind of teriyaki sauce with soy sauce, a bit of that, and some water. There's some garlic in there. It smells great. Now again, divide it onto all the chicken that's there. 3 days of Italian chicken, which has each of those boxes contain 100 grams of protein, and I usually divide those boxes into 2, so 2 lunches, breakfast, 2 lunches, 1 dinner, and just like so, 100 grams of protein. If you eat, for example, 6 eggs per day, 36 grams of eggs of protein in addition to that. Then in the evening, I don't know, maybe some Greek yogurts, some skyr, some cottage cheese, whatever. Just like so, you are so easy on 200 grams of protein per day. And this took me, I don't know. Let's just cut off the cooking time, the boiling time for the chicken. Okay, because this was passive work. You just put 4 kilograms of chicken in there, let it cook, put it by side, do the sauces while this is cooking, because this takes 20 minutes for the chicken to be fine in the boiling water, alright? And in those 20 minutes, while your chicken for 1 week is boiling, you can prepare the sauces and everything is done. Literally 20 minutes for 100 grams of protein per day. Quick, easy, efficient, and tasty as fuck. Hope it helps. Stay strong. See you in the next one.